Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix the Facebook Messenger call indeed problem. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find every single app that you have on your phone. All what you wanna do is very simple. Scroll until you find the Facebook Messenger on your phone here in the apps. As you can see, I just found it. Click on it, click on force stop, and then click on the permissions. Make sure to enable all the permissions and go back again. Click on the data usage here. Make sure that all these options of the network access are enabled. Go back again and then click on the storage. Click on clear data. And now go back to the settings on your phone. Open the wireless and networks. Go to the Wi-Fi. Disable it and enable it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.